Hello guys, today we will discuss what is meant by API testing. See API stands for application programming interface. Okay, API stands for application programming interface. So what are APIs? So how we are going to test API? See, normally you know, right? So layers, we can say three layers. Everyone will come across three layers. One is user interface. One is business logic layer. User interface layer, business logic layer. Here is the database layer. See, user interface layer is nothing but browser. So what the users want, no? They're giving it the browser. What is business logic layer? Coding layer. And so developers will be creating here. Developers will be working on business logic layer. Here also they will work. But this is the coding layer. We'll say this is a coding layer. Coding part. Coding of the application. Means there is no UI. So still UI is not developed. So mainly this is the basic thing what the developers will work on, business logic layer. And this is the database layer. This is database. Right? See what happens now. So this is the business logic layer. Once business logic layer gets the UI, user interface, so where we are seeing the UI. So users now will be seeing the UI. So look and feel of the application will get here. So this is the code layer. This is the database layer. So you are sending one request. How you are sending request? By HTTP methods. What are HTTP methods? Get, post, get, put, delete. These are the HTTP requests. Based on this, you are sending request. So based on this HTTP method, you are sending request. What database layer will do? This database layer process the request. This database layer will process the request and you will get the response. So if you are sending the request, you will get the response. Here. Okay. So this is how the architecture works, how API testing works. So there are three layers. One is user interface layer, business logic layer, database layer. So this is nothing but UI, user interface. Once the application is get with well equipped user interface, now this is how it appears in the browser. So without interface, now we call it as business logic layer. This one, database layer. Once you are sending the request, you will get in return you will get the response. How you are sending the request? Based on HTTP methods: post, get, put, delete. So what are the examples of API? So nowadays now you can see so Ola examples, applications, no? Examples, Ola applications, e-cart applications, and railway tickets booking. So in e-cart, just imagine this is Amazon UI. What you are doing in e-cart, you are placing one order. So it will send the request. So through the code, it will send the request, and on process request, you will get the response. If you are purchasing one item, So that order will get placed. How you get in the response? Your order got placed. So that is the in response you will get it. So this is how we are going to work with API. This is API, Application Program Interface. I hope this is very helpful, guys. Thank you.